叔，我可以在你这儿倒点水吗？
可以啊，可以。
谢谢你啊。Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today my drive is from Baise to Jingxi County, but firstly before leaving let me check my haircut. I'm actually quite satisfied with my new haircut from yesterday. Tanyuan haircut. What do you think? And the second thing is the cupping from yesterday. That's 1 and 2. It looks as if I was bitten, but don't worry, that's quite normal after cupping because the bruise doesn't hurt and it will go away maybe in 5 or 7 days. So in fact, cupping, just like acupuncture, is a traditional treatment that has been practiced for a very, very long time. I do cupping quite often in summer because I got stiff shoulders because of the desk work, sitting in front of the computer for too long. So today I'll be leaving again from Baise to Jingxi, and today is another gloomy day. Ahead of me, that is the electric car produced in Guangxi Province. It's very popular. I've seen a lot of that in Liuzhou. The headquarters of that manufacturer is in Liuzhou. A busy market street. Lão板，粽子怎么卖呀？粽子怎么卖？
你要这种6块啊？
这里面是什么呀？
肉跟绿豆。
哦，
绿豆。
绿豆和肉。两种一样吗？
一样的，全部一样的。
哦。
就是分大小。
哦，那个大一点是吧？
大的10块。
大的10块。
要大的吗？
要一个小的就可以了。
要个小的哦。
对。
你是要黑米粽还是要白米粽？
要什么？
有黑有白。
要黑米粽。要
黑米粽啊？
对，那个黑米
粽好香嘞。
就是黑米的吗？
是啊，是啊，是这种的。
哦。
等会呢？
等会。
你这个怎么做？
我把它塞到这个里面。
就是这种了呢，煮在这里了呢。黑米里面放绿豆。
哦。Oh, I forgot to close my suitcase. Okay, I still have the banana from yesterday and now another big dong. So that's going to be my dinner. Good that I checked it. $4元。大姐，这个是里面是藕是吗？
哦，在里面熬的。
多少钱一个呀
3块。
那我帮我拿一个吧。
好，等下啊，还没得。
这个叫什么呀？
哪个？
这个东西叫什么呀？
鸡节。
鸡节。
哦，那鸡子。
哦，这个。
啊，这是东北话的，不是读普通话的，这是白话的。
鸡节。鸡节。Dji Action in local language. So it's lotus fruit cut it in small pieces and then coated with flour, deep fried until it's very crispy and golden. Wow, it's really, really crispy. Porridge and vegetables. 10元6斤。Wow. The price of food in Guangxi is incredibly affordable. 那姐，芒果怎么卖啊？
哪一个？
芒果怎么卖
有3块5，有4块5的。
？3块或者
是4块5的，那边3块5的，这里2块5的。给大姐的手机。哎，外面不要，外面会扯。
好，谢谢。好香啊！
是啊，这个是香芒，那边是桂鸡，你要哪一种？
桂鸡和香芒。
对。
再拿一个这个吧，你拿2个就行了。
7块6，7块钱给我得了。
谢谢大姐。
哎，给一个这个来提车。
谢谢你啊，大姐，这个是这边产的吗？
对呀。
哦。
白色特色。
白色的特色。
对，白色特产。
哦，怪不得我在那个水库边上看到有好多芒果树。
对，这种都是啊。
啊，这也是芒果树。
对。
哇。它什么时候季节是收芒果的时候呀？
正常的话就是6、7月份。
哦，6、7月份。那为啥现在还有呢？
现在是冬芒。
哦，冬天也有。
品种的。
哦。你好呀，咱俩车一样。你去哪儿呀？哦，晋西。嗯。Is Guangxi always so rainy in January? Oh, this weather, it looks like fairyland, but at the same time, it's not the most pleasant way to ride a motorbike. And after a while, no, you see there is always water on the windshield. It seems most people live in this village, has a family name of Meng. I found Guangdong and Guangxi share some similarities almost in every village. Like there will be a big tree, 大榕树, and then there was a small altar in which the local deity was worshipped. 对，我等雨停了再走。大叔，我可以在你这儿倒点水吗？
可以啊，可以。
谢谢你啊。
来，这里来。
啊，这好。
来。用电是吗？
什么？对。
给我要钱。
啊。
开水了。
大姐，我在这儿倒点热水，好吧？
几分钟得了。
好的。
坐这里。
行，谢谢。
看不看啊？看水呀？好的，看好吃。
香哦，这个结花哦。
好的，这么多够了吧？
走。
行，谢谢。茶叶，
好了呢。
再高一点。好，
一
那我再
点
高一点。
好了呢。哦，你吃一口你就懂得了。有些人不在家，他不懂他有的不好讲啊，你有好讲啊，你就走了。
啊，大家可能有的人去干活去了，对吧？
干活像
干活或者打工，打工。
砍泥，上街。
什么？
上街啊？
哦，
开啊？
上街去了，上街去了。
哦。
啊。
这个下这个礼拜经常下雨的不，山区因为那个靠岸山区啊。
哦。
大平原就不下了。
哦。
在县城里面应该不下呢，我们这地方，从那个完工那里，那坡那里上来就这个就下雨，山区靠岸山区下雨多。
哦，山区下雨多一点。
哦，我们下到一个2个钟头。
要下1-2个钟头。先等一等。大叔，这个茶叶是你们自己做的吗？
山上
的。
那这个小娃的不，这到那外拿到县城里面买好贵的不？
哦，很贵是吧？
是啊。
哦，这个茶叶我从来没见过，长得不一样。
补充消化。
哦，辅助消化的。
对，你吃东西就好了，喝点过甜就好了。
哦，补充消化的。哦，在县城打工。
哦，对。
在哪个县城呀？
这田家。
德。
田阳。
田
阳啊。
40公里。
对。
那，大师，你有几个小孩啊？还没有。哦，还没有结婚。
对。
你的小孩还没有结婚。他多大呀
？40喽。
40了。哦，就一个小孩吗？
对。
哦。Maybe I can give the banana and songs to them. 大姐，这个给你们。
不吃了。
拿着。
不吃。
的箱子里面还有好多。不，你们吃，拿着。好，谢谢你们了。我现在我妈妈往那边去了，拜拜。
我讲你，就这样了，光阴记性不好啊。
知道了，谢谢你们，拜拜。This area of Guangxi is a less developed region, so many people are still living in poverty, especially in small villages. As you can see, that couple, their house is extremely simple and very basic. Look, that's another temple. So folk religion in this region is very popular. I've seen that in every village. There is a small, either altar or a small temple. There's another temple under construction. Hả? 好的，行。好的，谢谢。It looks quite terrible. finally I've reached the hotel room. I got a really bad news from the hotel manager. So I really hated to ride motorbike in the raining weather. So I asked him, is it always so raining in winter? And then he told me yes. And sometimes the raining cloudy weather can last for 10 days, 15 days. I really didn't expect that. I really didn't expect the winter weather in Guangxi is so rainy and cloudy. The only comfort I have right now is this beautiful landscape outside my window. So I will try to avoid riding in raining weather as much as possible, but this weather doesn't look so promising. So yeah, that's all for today, and please wish me good luck.